Step inside the barrel. We're going to do the Swan exercise. And we're going to put the feet up on the rail so the heels are in together in Pilates stance and the toes are wide open. The knees are open and relax the spine down over the barrel. Drop the tailbone down toward the floor. The arms are draping down so you're hanging over the barrel with your body weight. This is a breathing exercise. So we take a nice deep breath and come up. We exhale up toward the ceiling, hold. Inhale, stretch the body out long. Exhale, soften the knees and reach back and hold. Inhale, stretch out strong, pull the ribs in and round over to the start position. Inhale to come up. The first back bend is short. Exhale. Inhale out. The second one, you soften the knees and the next one is bigger. Inhale and then pull the ribs up and exhale down. One last one. Take a breath in to come up. Exhale short. Inhale, stretch long, squeeze the bottom. Exhale back, stretch, stretch. Inhale, stretch out, lift the ribs, bring it down and hold. Let the legs hang down so that relaxes the lower back.